Hey there, people. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleaner. Yeah. Now, this cleaner I've used for a while now. Probably going on maybe about a year and a half. And I was turned on to it by a friend of mine at work that is the janitor who cleans the bathrooms and things like that. And I saw that he was using this. Now, I've used several different brands of, cleaners. And, well, first of all, you can use this for your cooking ware or anything in your kitchen, your sinks, your bathtub, bathroom stuff, like the porcelain in your tubs or toilets or even your sinks and stuff. So it's really good. It really, really, gets down and deep into the grime. But I was turned on to this by my friend, and he swears by it. He uses it on a professional level. He goes around, he cleans different buildings, janitorial-wise. He uses this in his daily duties, and it gets really all the grime out of that porcelain, any kind of surfaces that you need to be cleaned. It really works well on stainless steel also. So yeah, it really gets down to inside the grit of tiles and things. It really works well on lime, just stains that have been lingering for a while, especially in your tiles and bathtub. I mean, I know that sometimes it really gets hard to get into all the little corners and all the, the areas that, are just typically hard to clean when you're cleaning, say, your bathroom or sinks. But this is half the battle right here, even more than half the battle. You don't have to work hard to use it. So what you do is, once you get it, you have to shake it really a lot. Shake it thoroughly, really good. Give it a really good shake, for a few seconds. Make sure it's really, really shaken really well. And then you can apply this onto any of your surfaces, and the consistency of it is like a cream, it's like a cream. See, it's kind of creamy, very loose, easy to use. Yeah, so, and you would apply this, just apply it sparingly. You don't really need a whole lot for it to work, because it really, really gets in there and does the job. So you get in there, you apply it, like just pour it down, or you can apply it to a sponge and get in there and just, scrub out that stain, all the stains that you see. You will see it lifts right up, Now, you don't want to let it just sit on there for a long time. You just want it to actually just, you put it on there. Don't let it sit to, get into the grime. You have to start scrubbing within a minute of applying it to your surface. It's just better that way. You'll see those stains come right out, especially when you're cleaning porcelain. It really, really works well on porcelain. You get a really nice, like sparkly shine off of porcelain. This is a new and improved version of this. So I've used just the regular one before, but this new and improved version is very, very, it's not like incredibly different than how it was, but it works. It worked last time. But when it was just the regular formula. This works very well, and I've used it for a while now. And I'm glad I'm using it now. This is not the only one I use, but it is a good one. I like it a lot. After you will, scrub the area with this, you scrub it good, and then just rinse off the area with water. The stains and everything come right out. It'll be really nice. And it has a really nice, clean, soapy type of smell to it. So you'll like the smell. It makes you feel like the area is clean. Yeah. Okay. Well, we're talking about the barkeeper's friend soft cleaner. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.